Hi there, my name is Sharvanan Pandey, and I am the Global Cloud Solutions intern this summer at TechSoup Global. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can assign tasks to people within the Microsoft Teams user interface using the Planner app. We're going to be using the non-general test channel just for demonstration purposes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press on the plus button and I'm going to locate the Tasks app and I'm going to import that into the channel like so. And then it's very simple. All we have to do is we enter the task name, so send report as an example, and we'll set the due date for tomorrow, for example, and then we will simply assign, and then we can choose numerous people. We can enter the names of numerous people for this assignment to be completed. So I can say, for example, my manager Vidya and myself, and now these two tasks are assigned to the both of us. And so that means that tomorrow, Vidya and myself will get an email from the Tasks app that will tell us that this reminder is due. And so it's very simple to remove people. All you do is just press the X button right here, and that is all there is to it.